This video will be a full review of the Infinite Beacon, if it is still a scam or legit. So, Infinite Beacon Financial Services, as stated here, it is at the forefront of financial innovation, offering a range of services that includes crypto loans. So it is based in Pune, and their firm is dedicated to providing the clients with cutting-edge financial solutions that leverage the unique benefits of digital assets. So, mm, Infinite Beacon Financial Services, they offer investment opportunities to financial advice. However, their website has a low trust score of 26.8 out of 100, indicating its potential risks. But some users have reported issues with unexpected fees and difficulties with withdrawing funds, which are very red flags of any financial services. So, like in summary, Infinite Beacon presents itself as a financial service provider, but the low trust scores and the customer feedbacks suggests caution. So it is highly advisable to thoroughly research and consider more established alternatives before investing.